everyone, Lauren from Wildflowers here. I love these Starburst nails and I can't wait to show you how to do it because it's actually really easy. You're going to begin by starting with a black nail and applying the Wildflowers matte top coat to the nail. Cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use the Vibes Spider Gel set and I'm choosing the pink from it and the fidget stylus. So all you do is hold the jar down at the bottom and then dip your fidget stylus in, pull up a string, lay it down, and you can bring it back. Now, after you do 3 or 4 strings, you're gonna wanna flash cure. So I'm using the flash cure light here to stop and cure these strings, but you basically just repeat the process. If the tip gets a little chunky after curing it, you can always file it. And that's literally it. This product cures tack free. So I hope you guys try it. I hope you love it as much as I do. Look how cool these nails look. I think it's such a good look for New Year's and for the holiday season. Sure to check out our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy. You can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we are going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.